Today is August 6, 2012, and we are doing an end of season video for building 43 in spaces 236 and space in the northern partition room 235. Our efforts this season were focused on bringing this building in phase. It has been severely eroded over the years, as it was originally excavated by Melart in 1960s and then more recently by our team in 2004. And our eventual goal for the building is to remove it all together and see what lies underneath it. We started the season out by focusing on the northern area of this room, space 235, and try to bring this area into phase. We started out by removing several areas of patchy floors that were left over, and also a few makeup layers were removed. We then were able to see a post-retrieval pit here and another pit abutting this wall 1853 over here, and the rest of it is now in phase. As far as we can see, there are no other floors lying beneath this, and so we think that we may be within the last makeup layers of this building, and then we will hit room fill later on. We also tried to do the same in the main room of building 43, which was try to bring everything into phase. We again removed several layers of patchy floors that were left behind, as well as a few layers that were makeup layers. This orange makeup layer that seems to extend throughout the building is now what's remaining on top, and as far as we know, we are now in phase in this part of the room. We also focused on defining the walls a bit better, as there were several layers of the plaster floors as well as the platform makeup layers that were still remaining here, and that led us to finding this niche on the eastern wall. Now this niche seems to have multiple construction phases, as the plaster on the back seems to extend below the plaster that is at the base of it, and the construction of this niche predates the construction of this platform, because in the section you can see that the plaster goes behind it. In the southern part of the room, we were able to uncover several early phases of the oven, as you can see here, and when we cleaned this area over here, we removed some fill that extended to this part of the wall and all the way down to the floor. And that revealed this particular crawl hole or niche scar that is on the western wall of the building here, and that will be something that we will excavate in the coming years.